Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, a cabbage soup, perfect to lose a little bit of pounds. But I am sure you guys are going to love this cabbage soup. It's January, and let's start watching and taking care of our bodies. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Beautiful family, to take care of our bodies and watch our diets, this is a perfect cabbage soup that I know you guys are going to love. Well, I have tomato sauce. I have 2 garlic cloves, pink Himalaya salt, ground ginger, black pepper, red pepper flakes, Mexican oregano, paprika, of course, the cabbage, carrots, celery, tomato, onion, cilantro, and chicken broth. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing cabbage soup. So let's get started. I am going to start with the cabbage, and I'm going to take the heart out of the cabbage. This part we're not going to use. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to start cutting it in little squares. Of course, this cabbage soup will help you lose a little bit of pounds if you eat it twice a day. But this soup really comes out amazing, and it has a lot of flavor. After the holidays, this is a perfect soup to start consuming to help you lose a little bit of weight. But other than losing a little bit of weight, to tell you the truth, the soup is amazing. It tastes delicious. Once you have cut off half of the cabbage, you are going to rinse it really good. Add enough water, let it soak for about 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes, you are going to remove the excessive water, and then you are ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. To make this delicious and amazing cabbage soup, it really doesn't take too long, and it has a lot of flavor. Look at this. I took off all the excessive water, and now I am ready to continue cutting my carrots and taking the skin off completely. The celery, I'm only removing the edges, and now I am ready to rinse completely under running water. Of course, that this soup has very little ingredients, but what really gives it an amazing flavor is the spices. And here I am going to start by cutting the carrots, making sure that they are almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. Once this is done, I am just going to add it to the cabbage. Look at this. And now I have here, of course, I'm going to use everything from the celery, especially the green leaves. The green leaves have so many benefits and, of course, vitamins. I have half of an onion that I'm going to dice. It doesn't have to be diced very small. Just cut it in little squares. I have 1 tomato that I'm going to slice and cube. The tomato is really going to give it that color and that flavor, and it's going to be nice and chunky. I'm going to add the tomato sauce. I'm going to put this aside, and of course the garlic cloves. I'm using 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice and include into this amazing cabbage soup.
Once you add all these amazing and delicious ingredients, now we are ready for the spices. I have all the spices in here. I am going to use 1 teaspoon of every spice. I have the table salt, I have the paprika, Mexican oregano, black pepper, pepper flakes, and of course, the ginger powder. All these spices are really going to bring all those flavors together, and this soup is gonna come out amazing. Look at this. You could see the little pieces of the garlic, the carrots, the onion, the tomato sauce, everything in here. And of course, you could add just water to this, or you could bring it up a little step and add the chicken broth. And that's what I'm adding into this cabbage soup. Okay, it's going to cook for about 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes, because you still want your cabbage to have a little bit al dente, a little bit hard, a little bit of that crunch. So you're only going to incorporate all the ingredients just like that. Really doesn't take too much, but you know something? This cabbage soup comes out amazing. It's cold here in California, so I'm really going to enjoy this amazing and delicious cabbage soup. For my kids, I am going to give them this amazing soup, and on the side, I'm going to give them little chicken tostada tacos so that they really enjoy this cabbage soup with their tostadas, and I am going to just enjoy it just as is. I might add a little bit of salsa or hot spicy chili oil right on the top, right on my plate, so that I really enjoy the cabbage soup. Look at this. When it starts bubbling from the edges, leave it here and continue with your cilantro, cutting your cilantro in small little pieces. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I have the cilantro here. It's already nice and rinsed. And now I'm just gonna chop it away. And once I am ready and the bubbling, it's right in the center, I am going to first taste this soup and see if I need to add a little more salt. If not, that means that it's ready. I am ready to add the cilantro right on the top. When you add your cilantro, turn off the stove and just let the cilantro infuse all those ingredients. The cabbage soup is really going to taste nice and fresh with that amazing flavor and aroma of the cilantro. Well, here I'm just gonna let it rest. I turned off the stove, and now I am ready to prepare my plate. My home smells amazing. The cilantro really gives it an amazing flavor and aroma. Look how chunky this is. And of course, don't overcook your cabbage. You really want the little crunch in your cabbage. And that's what's really, you're really going to enjoy it. And now I am ready to put some on my plate. And let me show you how chunky and how delicious this cabbage soup looks. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. It's raining outside, and this is a perfect cabbage soup to make and enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look how amazing this soup looks. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper flakes right on the top. My mouth is already watering, and I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I hope you make it and you enjoy it.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing cabbage soup. Perfect to lose a little bit of weight. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. The cabbage is al dente. It still has the little crunch. And that's exactly what I love. Especially after the holidays. Well, who doesn't want to lose a little bit of weight? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavors are amazing. This cabbage soup, enjoy it during the year. Enjoy it after the holidays. And you'll be surprised how much weight you could lose. Perfection made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious cabbage soup made at home with lots of love. Leave me your thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you for being part of my family. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.